Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find audio files on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Explore button next to the Live section at the bottom of the page, and go to the second option, the Audio, and click to the See All button. And here you can find audio files, for example, different. You can find audio files for different words and sentences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.